Precision serves perfection. It's fundamental for our success and an essential step towards masterpiece and higher quality. Precision helps us perform, makes our lives safer, and reveals true beauty. Together with you, we meet the challenges and demands of our time. As a modern building contractor, I must work digitally and remain realistic right from the start. I must face the challenges and even make the impossible possible. Construction is not a one-man show. You can't do it on your own. I have partners that equip me with smart solutions on the construction site, solutions that minimize my costs and raise the efficiency. It is a challenge to work with accuracy to the inch on a 60,000 pounds machine under great time pressure. Even with my best men, absolute precision is not the rule. Precision that I can only achieve with the Leica Icon solutions. Operation is simple, so that my men can focus on the job. The continuous real-time surface-to-model comparisons ensure perfection. I finish construction projects to the specification with no rework required. I don't want to digitalize my employees. I want to digitalize my projects. In the age of BIM, the office site connection is an integrated part of the concept. I know exactly how my construction work is progressing. For both building and heavy construction, I can enter a new dimension of precision with Beutlehauser Smart Systems and Leica Icon solutions.